Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to fit a simple linear regression. Here we can see that we have a data set of two variables, that is y and x, and we are asked to fit a simple linear regression equation of y on x. So when we are saying an equation of y on x, then it means that y is the dependent variables and x is the independent variable. If we say a regression equation of x on y, then x will be the dependent variable and y will be the independent variable. So at first we need to write the form of the simple linear regression. So this is the equation of simple linear regression, where y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, and beta naught and beta 1 are the regression coefficients or the parameter. Beta naught is called intercept and beta 1 is called the slope parameter. So using this data, using the available data, we have to estimate these two parameters. So the fitted regression equation will be y hat equals to b naught hat plus b1 hat x. This hat or this cap indicates the fitted values or the estimated values based on the available data. So to calculate the b naught hat and b1 hat, we have some formula. The formula to calculate b naught hat is y bar minus b1 hat x bar. So y bar and x bar is nothing but the arithmetic mean of x and y respectively. Sorry, x and y. And the formula for estimate b1 hat is n summation xi minus summation over I xi into summation over I yi whole divided by n summation xi square minus summation over I xi whole square. So these are the two formulas we have to use for calculating the fitted values of the regression parameter beta naught hat and beta 1 hat. For calculating the values of b1 hat and b naught hat, first we need to construct a table. Here we have the values of x, y. Then the required information is xi square and xi into yi. So let us write down the available data here: 5, 9, 10, 14, and 18. So xi square, 2 square is 4, 16, 25, 49, and sorry, it will be 9 here and 81. Okay, then we have to multiply each xi with its corresponding yi. So the first is 5 2s are 10, 4 9s are 36, 5 10s are 50, 7 14s are 98, and 9 into 18 is 162. Okay, so if we take the total of all these observation, that is x summation of x, summation of y, summation xi square and summation xi yi, then we will get summation xi will be, if we take the sum of all this observation, it is 27. Summation of yi, that is summation of all this observation, is 56. Summation of xi square is 175, and the total of xi into yi is 356. Now to calculate the value of b1 hat, we have to put all these values into this formula. And one more thing is, n here represents the total number of observation. So here, what is the total number of observation? The total number of observation is 5, because we have only 5 values here. So 5 into summation xi yi, that means 356, minus summation xi, that is 27, into summation yi, that is 56, whole divided by 5 into summation xi square, that is the total of xi square, that is 175, minus summation xi whole square, that will be 27 square. So if we simplify these values, we will get 268 by 175, which is equal to 1.835. So this is the estimated value of b1 hat or the slope parameter. Next, we have to put these values here to calculate b naught hat. Now for b naught hat, we need to find y bar and x bar. So y bar is summation yi, that means 56 whole divided by n, that is 5, minus b1 hat, that is 1.835, into summation xi by n, that is the formula of x bar. So it will be 27 by 5, which is equal to 1.291 if we simplify this value. So this is the fitted value of b naught hat, or the intercept parameter. So this is the simple calculation by which we can find the estimated values of b1 hat and b naught hat, or b0 hat. So the final equation, or the fitted equation here will be, we have to, I'm writing the equation here. The fitted equation is y hat equals to b naught hat. So the value of b naught hat is 1.291 plus b1 hat into x. So b1 hat is 1.835 into x. So this is the required answer, or the required equation. So if we are given a set of values of two variables, and we are asked to fit a simple linear regression equation, so this is how we can find, or we can fit the equation. I hope it is clear to all of you. If you have any queries, you can drop a comment in the comment section. And if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.